Tower right along Forest Park Boulevard in Fort Wayne, but people in the neighborhood say it is not the right spot.
ABC 21's Carly Van Cleve spoke with those neighbors about their fight to stop the plans. Carly?
Imagine a 40-foot cell tower placed right in the middle of your neighborhood. Well, that's what people living in Forest Park Boulevard are trying to stop. They tell me it will make the area less attractive and ruin its historic value.
Forest Park Boulevard is known as a historic neighborhood of Fort Wayne. It's located next to Lakeside Park.
I've lived in this neighborhood for my whole life, right there where that post is.
When Tom Obergfell learned a 39-foot cell tower is set to be installed in this neighborhood, kind of like these ones that he looked up, he decided to take action.
It would be horrible. Hundreds of people walk this street every day, even in the winter, and to see that thing sitting right here would just be a disaster. This is the location where Verizon wants to put their new 39-foot tall 5G tower.
He's the treasurer of the Forest Park Boulevard Neighborhood Association. He says they found out because of these notices in the Journal-Gazette.
As soon as someone saw that, we were all over it. The president of our board sent something to all the board members, and we immediately all said, we got to do something. Couldn't pick a worse spot.
He says it would ruin the view of the park and the beauty of the historic neighborhood.
And as you look down the street, this is really not the right place for it. Everybody on the boulevard is into maintaining the historic nature of Forest Park Boulevard. It's just part of living here.
Obergfell says they've reached out to Verizon and state representatives about their concern, but they haven't gotten a response.
I think if someone from Verizon physically saw this, they would have to agree this is just not the right place.
It's not that he's against the new advanced technology. He says the neighborhood wants the tower in a different location, like an alley or an area with other towers.
I hope they understand that utility poles belong in utility areas, not on the public greenway. We'd be happy to talk with Verizon to think of an alternate site and work with them instead of having to have a battle against them.
The Fort Wayne City Council has been fighting this issue on a different front. Right now, they can put in recommendations about where cell towers should go, but a new state bill would take away that control. Councilman Jeff Paddock recently wrote a letter urging state lawmakers to vote no on the bill. I also reached out to Verizon, and I will let you know when I get a response.
As we've told you, land is being